Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I feel like all I do are flip through videos, but hey, they're still fun, right? So today I am doing one of the latest release from Camilla This is Flights of Fancy. So this was a pre-order. I got it on the day it released. I just didn't get around to filming it, but let's take a look. As usual, it's the same square shape as she always does. Looks like we still have good paper, always nice. And then, of course, I usually do commentary, so if you don't like commentary during your flip throughs, feel free to mute and enjoy in silence. Okay, that one's perfect for fall. That's like super adorable. You know, I keep getting her books and then I never color in them. It's not because I don't want to. I love her artwork. Very unique. Ooh, that would be fun with watercolor pencils. I think so. This would be cute to do as like a double page spread almost, just because they're so matching. Have to let me know if you ended up pre-ordering this one or if you're waiting. Oh, I like that one a lot. There are a ton of books coming out in October. I think I have 2 more coming soon. Could be wrong. I like this one. That's cute too. You could also do this as double page spread, or at least keep the themes or the color schemes. Let me know if you'd want to see like a color along in these books I do flip throughs of. It's hard to tell, like, you know, because everyone owns different books. So anytime I get comments that let me know you want a color along, that helps, because then I know, hey, this person has this book. That would be, this one, again, I would also do in watercolor pencils. Lots of owls and butterflies, but then again, it is flights. Ooh. Oh. This one, oh gosh, this would be so pretty with my Prismas, and I have a beautiful combo I would do for the monarch butterflies. Well, that's what I would make them. Oh, actually, you know what would be more fun is black butterflies with some neon greens and yellows, and then giving her like electric purple hair with black. Ooh, yeah. Already got ideas for that one. Sometimes you just see a page and you know. Other times you're like, I want to color it, but I don't know how. Story of my life. This would be fun to do the background on, actually. Tedious. I'd still do it like with watercolor pencils. Ooh, I like this. I would probably do this with a wash of watercolor pencils or maybe ink tints, and then kind of go in and fine tune with some pencils on top. I love these ones. Oh, these would be so fun to do all angelic like. Okay, I really like that set there. I always get her books. I may not color in them, but her artwork is just too unique to pass up. I need to color in them, though, don't get me wrong. I like this one for some reason. Don't ask me why. I really like this one, too. The hair would be fun to color. Oh, that one's adorable. She is talented, isn't she? Look at her go. Almost like it's a lightsaber. The bumblebee lightsaber. It's cute. It is cute. This one's pretty cool too. Like the steampunk and the butterflies. Oh, that would be fun. I think that's what's on the cover. Oh, that'd be cute, like Valentine's Day. Alright, well, that is it for that book. Good paper, as always. Cute images. So yeah, let me know if you ended up pre-ordering this one and what you thought. I always like to hear people's opinions. If you'd like to see a color along, if you got the book, that always helps me know how many people could actually color along. So thanks for hanging out with me, and until next time, take care. Bye now.